get off.
Go. Oh, go. Yeah, keep going. Go, go, go. Yes, go, 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 go. No, stop.
Man, they're really freaking out.
They don't know where to go, and they're gonna fucking get gnarled. Go, guys, go. No, don't stay there. Oh, they don't know where to go. Ooh,
Oh my god, are you serious?
those guys are just look how far.
Where'd the other one go?
They don't know where they're going.
They're gonna find a new home.
Oh, this one, like, he's coming up to people. Like, look at this one. He doesn't know where to go. He's right there.
Need to find a new home. Poor guys.
Don't get separated, guys, if you guys are buddies. That was quite a jump.
Yeah. Ugh. All that stuff flying around. Insulation.
Yeah.
This is like nightmare worthy.
It's just crazy to see just that come over the top and then just like that. Destroyed. Giant claw. I probably would have insisted on having tarps or something.
Yeah. That's be in the house next to that.
I know, look at all the dust.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Insulation.
Something crazy, here it comes. Oh my god.
They don't cut the electric lines or
That's
anything.
what they're saying. I'm kind of freaked out by it. Like, I'm sure the power's turned off, but like.
He's just gonna grab it and rip them off. The foreman guy's just standing there. Cool, good job. Man.
And that's why he's super pissed. Like, he's coming out like, fuck you, too.
I hope their windows aren't even closed.
Oh, the bricks are here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Used to be a brick house, who knew?
The next window, the fucking glass crashing is crazy coming too.
Oh.
Oh, there's the other one. The squirrel's still in the fucking...
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Dude, get out of there.
Jump, dude. Jump. Your other friend. There you go. There you go. Good job. Don't run
Don't
over
go
the
on
car.
the road.
There you go, little buddy.
Find a new home. Get a new home.